Mail and Deploy 311 comes with great new features. We have added support for Vizlib Tables. You can now add Vizlib Tables to your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, HTML and other reports. Mail and Deploy will export Vizlib Tables keeping original styles and formatting. We have also added support for Vizlib Waterfall Visualizations. They can be added just like any other chart element and dragged and dropped into your templates. Vizlib story timelines can now also be included in your reports. As with Vizlib waterfall charts, they can be added just like any other chart element and dragged and dropped into your templates. The new version now also recognizes custom styling properties set on Qlik Sense pivot tables and will properly set them in tables exported to reports. Report documents or external files can now also be uploaded to a Dropbox account by using the new Upload Content to Dropbox action, available in Tasks. Microsoft Excel reports can now also have templates with macros in XLSM format. When adding a template to an Excel report, you can now choose between a regular XLSX file or an XLSM file with macros. You can download the new release and get more information at www.mailanddeploy.com.